boat ride.
That is cool. I love it. Hello.
So we are just taking time. Hello guys, we are ready to go. Boat ride in Bolowei Resort. We are just finishing the boat ride. We are closing the boat.
We are going.
So guys, we are in on a boat tour at the Bolowei Resort Center of Opete, the local government area of Delta State Nigeria. We are taking a tour around this axis of this resort center that harbor most of all these oil companies around this place. I think when we are taking a tour, we see most of these houseboats of all these companies that are around this environment. And as you can see, most of the crew, we are having time, enjoying themselves, even with the little baby over there. Everybody were just enjoying themselves, busy enjoying themselves, because we are catching fun and cruising the environment, because it has not been easy for a long time enjoying this kind of a serene environment. You see, so as you can see, all those guys, they're enjoying themselves. Even my people equally enjoying themselves. I decided to reduce the background noise because of the copyright claim, because I doesn't want a situation whereby somebody will be sitting down there, will be taking advantage of my work, not be enjoying what I have labored for. So guys, that is that on this this video, on this boat rides. This little day, we just decided to work out, myself and my family came to this place, take the boat ride. And see, and if you want to know more about this place, I think this place is in the local government area of Delta State Nigeria. If you come to Opete is just opposite Tukutu, just after the bridge along the DSC Expressway in Delta State, Nigeria. So guys, that is that.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. Cause I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. Cause I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. Cause I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. Cause I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. Cause
So guys, as you can see, we are just touring around the place, enjoying the boat rides. And I believe you want to know more about this place, always visit Opete to know little about this place. They call this place Bolowei Resort Center. And take little money for you to enjoy this facility, maybe between 10 to 25,000. You can enjoy this facility so that you catch a cruise of what is happening in the area. For those who like maybe nightlife, those that like nightlife, you can always visit this place to have a little cruise of what this place look like. Or maybe on the weekend, you can just come to this place, have a cruise of the environment, and before you know it, you're already enjoying yourself. So as you can see, guys, we're already going closer to the bank of the river. We're trying to come out from this boat drive after a long tour around the environment. This along these waterways of Enere, Otokutu, Opete Axis. It has been so enjoyable movement. And guys, we really enjoy ourselves on this boat ride. As you can see, we're already coming out of the boat. One by one, people are already coming out, trying to catch up with other people at the other side. You see. So guys, that is that on this particular place. If you want to know more about this place, always come to Bolowei Delta State. As in Udu local government, Opete, Udu local government area of Delta State. So that is that. Already coming out the boat one by one. So guys, we have already come out of the water side now. We are already at the main arena where you see different set of people within the environment. That is my little son that is just hopping out as if he has seen this thing. You see that lady who is enjoying herself, but she was kind of being careless about the driving, and she almost fall off on that motorbike. So I think to get this motorbike was around 5,000 naira. Pay 5,000 naira, you can enjoy this motorbike. So guys, that is that. You must have learned our lesson, but we thank God that nothing more was more than that.
I just got off the phone with a girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. Cause
So this lady, I believe she has learned a lesson, and she's taking the motorbike ride gently this time around. And I believe she has to be very, very careful in what she is doing. So this is the arena filled with people who are having their quiet time, enjoying themselves. Even myself, I was not left out in the show. I decided to just take a little play of the basketball around the area, just to have some little fun of the environment. So that's me. I just throw the ball there. And I believe if you want to have more of this kind of fun, the gate fee is just 500 naira to enter this place. Then, before you know it, you just be enjoying yourself, taking time, having enough time for yourself and your family, mostly at the weekend. And for the young guys who like maybe quiet nightlife and what have you, you can just decide to come around to this place and take a little play for yourself. Myself, that is my wife. I just throw the ball now. And the children I equally do the same thing. So guys, that is that on this particular place. In fact, we really have fun on that day, on this particular day that we came to visit this place. It was filled up with people. Every weekend, this place is usually filled up with people. So guys, those are my family, my children. That is Victory, my son. So guys, that is that. We already taken a walk around. We already going now. That is the Bolowei Resort signpost you are seeing there. It's a very big and a beautiful place for people.
I just got off the phone with a girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. Cause I just got off the phone with a girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. Cause
So after a wonderful day, we decided to come to this place to have a bite of a popcorn, just to take care of the stomach. You see the women selling popcorn. So guys, we're already going out, leaving the environment. That's my son and my wife already going out. So guys, it was a wonderful day. You see a lot of car park outside, people that came from different walks of life. So if you like this video, give the videos a thumbs up. So that is that. We're already going out. My family already going out. So guys, if you like these videos, always say a shout out to my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Frederick Obiru is my name. So guys, that is that. It's a very big place. You can see vehicles parked everywhere. So let us subscribe to my YouTube channel.